Kidzlearningtoons. Find and circle the number. Children, we have to find the outside number from the inside numbers of the butterfly and also circle that number. So, where is the number 3 inside the butterfly? Where is the number 5 inside the butterfly? Where is the number 2 inside the butterfly? Where is the number 8 inside the butterfly? Where is the number 7 inside the butterfly?